The great activity of addition, add and color. Look at this. This is an umbrella. Suppose add 2 and 3. This is a chart of color with numbers. 3 add 2 is equal 5. If there any number of 5 after addition, then we color blue. Add 2 and 4. In the chart, 6 is equal yellow. We write 6 and do color yellow in the block of 6. Start. He is aswad doing summer vacation homework. 4. 2 add 2 equal 2 add 2
equal 4. Pink.
4 equal
Pink.
pink. Yes. Start. This is a great activity of addition.
Yes.
Dwell. Child interest.
नजर नहीं आ रहा. Then right. Right.
Complete. Very good. 4 add 0 equal 4.
4.
The color in the block of 4 is pink.
Right open line.
3 add 4 is equal 3 add 4 is equal
7.
चलो स्टार्ट. इसी तरह हमने ये सारी अम्ब्रेला ऐड करते हुए कलर्स के साथ कंप्लीट कर लेनी है. असफल जी कितने? 4 ऐड 5
4. 9.
9 इक्वल पर्पल कलर.
Purple.
5 add 3 equal
8. ये तो बहुत गंदा हो रहा है.